Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve one of the lead code problem, kids with the greatest number of candies, and it falls under the array category. So let's try to understand the problem statement first. There are n kids with candies. You are given an integer array candies where each candies of I represent the number of candies the ith kid has. So basically, let's say there are three elements in candies. You can assume there are three kids with holding that particular indices. Uh, that particular indices as a kid number, and let's say the value is like whatever candies that particular kid is holding. Okay, and an integer extra candies is also given, and which denotes the extra candies that you have in your hand. Okay, so these two things are given. Then what we need to return is a Boolean array result of length n, where result of I is true if after giving the ith kid all the extra candies, they will have the greatest number of candies amongst all the kids, or else false we have to read. So basically what we need to do, we need to add the extra candies in that particular kid's candies that he is already holding, and we have to find out whether it is greater than whatever candies all other kids are holding. So if yes, we have to add true in our result array for that particular index. So basically candies array size and result array size will be same. We have to return let's say true and false in result array. If it is greater, then we'll add a return true, otherwise it will be a false. So let's try to understand this particular statement in a practical way. So I will take uh, some example here. Let's say candies, consider 2, 1, 8, 5, 1, 8, 5, and 2, 1, 8, 5 is my candies array, and extra candies, let's say 2. Okay, so here kid 1 is holding 2 candies, kid 2 is holding 1 candy, kid 3 is holding 8 candies, and kid 4 is holding 5 candies. So in a brute force approach, what we can do is, let's say we will add extra candies to each kid and try to find out whether it is greater than all other kids candies. So we will add 2 here, it is 4, whether 4 is greater than 1. Yes, it is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 8. No, it is not greater than 8. So we will add false here. So we don't have to recalculate the other kids candies. We don't have to re-evaluate that. So 4 is not greater than 8. So then we will try to add plus 2 here. It is 3. So we will recalculate whether 3 is greater than 2. Yes, 3 is greater than 8. No. So what we will do, sorry, it should be false here. So it is also false. Then we will try to add plus 2 to 8. It is 10. The 10 is greater than 2. Yes, 10 is greater than 1. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. Yes. So we will add here true. Then again we will evaluate plus 2 to the fourth kids candy. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. And we will try to see 7 is greater than 2. Yes, 7 is greater than 1. Yes, 7 is greater than 8. No. So that means it is false. So this is the way that we have to find out. So here one trick you can apply is like, after looking at this problem, what I can see is like I'm be evaluating my this sum with every candy. Do I need to do that? really do I need to do that? Can you try to find out the uh, reason why I am saying this by looking at this particular example? Let's say this is the 4. Consider this particular example, or maybe I'll rewrite it. So 2, 1, 8, 5, and I'm adding plus 2 to everywhere. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So it is 4, it is 3, it is 10, and it is 7. So first take 4. So I'm evaluating 4 with 1, 4 with 8, and 4 with 5. So where my condition for 4 is failing, 4 with 1 is correct, 4 with 5 is failing, 4 with 8 is failing. So maybe let's say if I found out max element from this particular array. So max is 8. So every time if I reevaluate my this particular logic, and let's say every time if I try to see whether my calculation for this like normal candies plus the extra candies, whether it is greater than equal to maximum element or not, I can let's say skip many iterations, and maybe my problem gets solved in an efficient manner. So let's try to do that. So let's say candies 2, 1, 8, 5, and extra candies is 2. Extra candies is 2 here. So let's say if I found out my max element, element from this array is 8. Okay, and what I need to do is let's say 2, 1, 8, 5. So what I'll do first, I'll add my extra candies here. So it is 4. Whether 4 is greater than equal to 8? No. I will add false to my result array. False to my result array. Then let's say I add plus 2 equal to 3. The 3 is greater than 8 or not? It is not. Then I will add false to my result array. Then let's say if I add 2 here, it is 10. Whether 10 is greater than 8 or not? Yes, it is greater than equal to 8. So I'll add 2 here. And let's say I add 2 here, it is equal to 7. 7 is greater than 8 or not? It is not. So it is false. So in this way, you can reduce the number of what you can say the calculations in your problem and make it more efficient. So let's try to code this particular problem. So let's say we are taking one list result that we want to return, new array list, and it is of boolean type. Okay, and now we want to find the max element from the array. We will use streams, arrays dot stream of candies dot max, and we want it in a integer basically. So get as int you can do. Get as int you can do. For we will run through the entire array and try to recalculate this int I equal to 0, I is less than candies dot length, and I plus plus. And inside that, if my candies of I plus extra candies plus extra candies is greater than equal to max. If it is greater than equal to max, what we will do? We will add true. in my result array. Otherwise, what I'll do, I will add false in my this is result array. Result dot add of false. And what we need to do is like we want to return the result array list. Returning it. Run this. Submit this particular example. Yeah, so it takes 2 milliseconds of time, and which is good enough, and we are beating 33% of candidates here. So yeah, and also talking about the time complexity, what do you think? What is the time complexity? Can you find out? So it is always O of n. Basically, we are running the for loop for the uh, candies length. So it's going to be O of n here. So yeah, happy learning, guys. I hope you have understood the concept here and try to practice this your own pace. And yeah, happy learning. Thank you. Bye.